Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I want to do a loop scarf with you with the XXL wool today. So this is going to be a super simple project, great for beginners as well, out of simple trebles and chains in between them. So as I said, it's going to be super simple. We're going to get results super fast as well. And I think you can finish this in about an hour. So anyway, let's get right to it. If you want to see how you can do this as well, stay tuned. So we have wool in the gang as our wool of choice, Crazy Sexy Wool, and it's 100% wool made in Peru for a needle size 12 millimeters, so super thick. And I think I did a haul video a while ago where I actually show you this wool. But anyway, let's find the beginning thread. So you see it's super thick. Here is my measuring tape as well. And my 12 millimeter needle. So as always, we are starting with chains and I'll do about 60 centimeters in chains. Let me show you the beginning. So the thread around your two fingers, the needle goes through and you take the thread out and then pull. So let's start. I'll count. And you see how big the chains are. So I have my 60 centimeters. I'll count if I have an even number of chains. That's what's important today. So I had 41 chains and I'll do one more so that I can have an even number. I wish I could give you a number of chains that you do, but if you're using a different type of wool, it might vary. So therefore, I'm just sticking to the 60 centimeters and an even number of chains. That's all you need. We don't want any twists or knots in here. It might be a bit tricky to check because of the colors, but just be patient and careful. And we will close it up now to get a ring shape or a loop shape. There we are. Let's check for twists and knots one more time. And we're good. Four chains for the height, or 3 for the height and 1 for the space that we want. One chain we leave out and the next 2 we go through. Take the yarn over the needle and do a treble. Then a chain. Again, leave one chain out and again yarn over and one new treble. So it's always going to be one chain and one treble, and make sure you leave one chain out. So that's going to be the first round. So I'm here again then, and I have the one treble here and I'm skipping the one chain. So we do one chain after the treble and we connect with a slip stitch. And there we are. 4 chains, 3 for the height and 1 for the space, so just like before, and we go between the 2 trebles or through the chain. And then we continue with the sequence of chains and trebles. Now we have no more skippings of chains, so we just go through the bigger spots that are super easy to find. So you see, it's already pretty repetitive, great for beginners. So I'm here at the end of my second round and we need a slip stitch after the last chain that you can see here. There we are, so our first 2 rounds are done. Now, round number 3 is starting. So each row starts with 4 chains and then you do the trebles and the chains. I'll show you what I have in a bit. So I'm almost done with our loop. I don't have enough for another round. So this is what we want and what we can get. And I still want to see how wide this is, so I'm gonna measure really quick. So about 31 centimeters, pretty cool. So it's one loop, but it's gonna be super fluffy when you wear it due to the thickness of the wool itself. So depending on what wool you choose, if you choose a bit thicker one, I think you're gonna get an awesome result, really. So now I'll pull the thread out and I'll shorten. This we can weave in, so super practical this time. We have just the beginning and the end thread. And yeah, I'll try to mimic what it would look like when you wear it. So it would be something like this. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, so about 4 layers. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty thick, awesome for the upcoming winter and cold weather. I hope you guys did enjoy. Feel free to let me know in the comments section if you did. You can also shoot us a thumbs up to let us know, and you can subscribe if you would like to stay updated every time we post something new. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next project, and until then, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye!